setting as my last video because I usually film over here, but I have to move everything I have going on over here and I'm just really lazy. I'm not gonna go too hard with details. This is just a regular eyeliner tutorial. This has been highly requested. I'm not only gonna be talking about my favorite eyeliners, but I'm also gonna be talking about my favorite lashes that go with eyeliners. Let me know if you guys want an everyday makeup look with liner, because these are the eyeliners I use. They're both by the brand Eyebrow London. I got this in a PR a really long time ago. The skinny liquid eyeliner in black and the black magic eyeliner. I like using both of these because one of them is a thicker brush, and then this the black magic liquid eyeliner, very thin. You could do much thinner line. Okay. I stick to the NYX and Wet n Wild. These are both drugstore, so congrats.
I don't use high-end.
Pigmented, and I like using the Wet n Wild Mega Liner for when I'm doing thick eyeliner because the brush on this is a lot thicker. The NYX one is just a lot thinner and it has less bristles, and it's also the blackest eyeliner I've ever used, and it's the cheapest one. You're welcome. I'm gonna be using the Wet n Wild Mega Liner. So I always start with lining on my actual, and we want to get not too much product, and I kind of start like in the middle and then I make my way forwards to make the line thinner and thicker as I go out.
Oh my god, I already was. Oh.
And if you could tell, my strokes are short but fast. So now that I'm done lining my actual eyes, then I can move on to the wing. I don't really do anything specific. I don't like my wings to always look super sharp, like a super straight line. I kind of like it to look a little curved. And also, don't forget to breathe. Once I have that base done, now to go back in, I don't go all the way to the tip. I go about 2/3 the way in, and then I line it back down with my eyes semi-closed. So this is when I clean it up with some concealer. And now we're done with this eye. Now I have a lot of examples that you can wear. Two of them are from the Bold Face Muse collection. This is their new one. These are in the style Power Pair. As you can see, they're a lot more separated and wispy. Those are the best kind of lashes for winged eyeliner. Here's another example. These are a lot thicker and a lot more separated. As you can see, they go from the smallest to the longest all the way in the corner. And these are in the style Mega Babe. This lash company is called Meiga's Lashes, and these are in the style Isabel. These go from smallest to longest. And here are two last examples. These are from the brand D Lashes, and these are in the style Dauntless. I wear these so much. These are a lot shorter and a lot thicker, and here are some shorter versions of this. These are in the style Divine. Today I'm going to be using Power Pair. Okay, so that's it for the video. I really hope this kind of helped. or if you at least enjoyed it. Before anyone asks, the lipstick I'm wearing is the Fenty Beauty matte lipstick in Midnight Wasabi. Yeah. See you in the next video.